Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to free up storage space on Black Shark Tablet. To free up storage space, you'll need to go to the settings. In the settings, you should be able to find the storage section. Now you'll find how many gigabytes are being used out of how many you have in total. You can find which sections of data use the most gigabytes. You can see apps use 1.6 in my case, images use only 29 megabytes, and yeah, the system uses most of the currently used storage as usual. If we don't have much data, it's usually mostly the system that uses it. Now you can do various things here. You can, for example, click on images, then it'll get you to the images, and you can, for example, find screenshots and delete them to free up your storage. You can go to apps and find apps, then you can. They are they sorted? They are sorted currently by the storage usage. You can see Google Play services use the most, but I cannot uninstall them because this is a core system service. But for example, Call of Duty could be uninstalled, of course. Somehow I can't. But if I had opened it first, I would need to open it first and install it. Then I could click here to uninstall it. But I'll show you an example of a different app how to uninstall something. I'll just need to find an app that can be uninstalled. Well, they're all system apps, so that is the problem a little bit. But you should have a button to uninstall an app once you click on it. And yeah, these are the options. There's storage manager that when you enable, it will automatically remove photos and videos older than 90 days old, which is weird. No, I don't want it. Let's disable it. I don't actually want it. You can click on free up space here and it'll recommend what you can remove in order to free up storage. I'll unselect the image that I have because I don't want to delete it, and I'll select all of these 4 apps, and then free up space, no thanks, and now it's going to remove them. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.